What motivated me first was the will to play football and the love that Ugandans showed me when I was still at the national team. And of course, the team looks good, a lot of young blood and energetic with ambitions. And of course, there were a lot of talks behind the curtains before my return, because it was not an easy decision. I had to consult a few people, family members, friends, the team, Sundowns, because for them, they knew that I had retired, but I had to discuss with them my return before I take a final decision. But it was positive from everyone. Whoever I spoke to, they were like, okay, go help the boys in whatever capacity the nation needs you. Go and see what happens. And I was ready. Football, you can't force someone to play football. When someone is forced to play football, bad things happen. And for me, it was a long discussion. Of course, it's not something that you just wake up and say yes or no. You must have the will, you must have the passion, and you must see the targets of the team. For me, I play a huge role in the team. I don't only play as a goalkeeper, I also play as a leader in the team, someone who motivates the boys, because if at my age I can work hard, which means the youngster will work harder than me, and that improves the team. So it's not only about playing, it's about helping the team to be comfortable and making sure that there is a little bit of leadership in the team.
I'd like to give thanks to Almighty God. It's been quite a journey. Since my injury and where I am up to now today. I believe I still have to do much more, way better. I believe I'm not yet there, so I keep fighting, I keep working more hard so that I reach where I want to be. But now I believe I haven't yet reached even 50% of what I believe I can do. I would like to always give the credit to the coaches for believing in me, giving me the chances to play in Chan, and also I come in on the World Cup qualifiers, and the coaches gave me also the chances, to play the games. Me as a player, my job is always to, go there out, do my very best, give 100% for the badge. I will always want to give 100% for the badge. And when I was young, I wouldn't think I would be here where I am today, playing for the national team. It was a dream. I used to watch players playing on the TV. Denis was here before. I used to watch Denis before me even playing for the national team. I was like, maybe one day, I will achieve my dream of playing for the national team. When I achieve that dream, you always have to have more and more ambition to get that chance and enter on the field of play. Always give your very best. It doesn't matter whether I start today. It doesn't matter whether anyone else starts on that football pitch. The biggest ambition is always win for the badge. So if I get my chances, I always try to give my best and win for the team.